When it comes to wealth creation, most people don't know where to start. So today, I would like to share 3 wealth creation strategies with you to help you begin your own wealth creation journey. The first strategy I wanted to share with you is learning high income skills. I do have a master's degree from one of the most renowned business schools in the US, but I also have my fair share of criticism about traditional schooling. With that being said, any form of education that has the potential of boosting your skills is commendable. However, I do believe that hands-on learning is one of the most practical ways to improve your skills. As much as I hate advocating for employment, it is often an essential step in the process of wealth creation. I know, this is shocking for many. Understandably so. Employment is not the most attractive thing we look forward to when thinking about creating wealth. But employment has created an avenue for enough people to finance small projects which later transform into major enterprises. The issue with employment is that we often exchange our time for money, which I must admit is a struggle for the average individual. On the other hand, people who focus their energy on learning high income skills can earn significantly more in comparison to the norm. In fact, I know many corporate executives who make millions of dollars in annual income while working in someone else's organization. However, the main point about following the path of employment in building wealth is that you can use your earnings to fund a business idea. You may also use employment to acquire expertise that can translate into a side hustle. Your side hustle can then be turned into a lucrative business if you operate in the right market. This is a key point I emphasized in my book, Overarching Principles. Learning a high income skill is relevant as a wealth creation mechanism. The second strategy I would like to share with you is starting a business. The best advice I can give someone today is to start a business. And in most cases, you do not need significant funds to start. You just need to believe that success is achievable. Most people are not entrepreneurs because of their inherent lack of conviction. I've come to realize over the years that it is not the fear of losing that prevents people from trying things. It is actually the fear of success. Think of it this way. If people fear losing, why do they maintain a position of perpetual loss? You cannot lose something you have never achieved. If you really fear losing, you will therefore do whatever it takes to change your condition. But if you willingly choose to remain in your condition, it simply means that the idea of success is what frightens you more than anything. And the fact that most of us have been raised to believe that money is the source of all evil justifies even more the fear that it perpetuates. Therefore, if you really want to create wealth, you need to make peace with the idea of making money. And your journey begins with starting your own business. And the third strategy is scaling your business. Scaling is a very hard thing to do for many entrepreneurs. Certain entrepreneurs scale too fast. It happens because they eagerly make decisions to grow their businesses, but they lack the proper resources or the right people that are capable of carrying their businesses into the next phase. Unfortunately, this is a significant downfall that can kill a business. Other entrepreneurs simply never allow their businesses to take off. They become too complacent, but unfortunately, it causes them to lose their competitive edge, which eventually leads them to be wiped out. To properly scale your business, you need to acquire the proper resources and recruit the right people, because at times even yourself can become a detriment to the growth of your organization. Scaling your business also means paying attention to the value chain and integrating the right markets to reduce your cost and improve your margins. And when you can scale your business at the right pace, you are truly in the wealth creation business. There you have it. Learning high income skills, starting a business, and scaling your business are 3 wealth creation strategies I wanted to share with you today. Let me know in the comments what topics you would like me to cover on this channel in the future. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe for more content, and share with people who could use these insights.